Hello everyone, Chef Mike is here, and today I'm gonna show you how you can cook delicious fine dining recipe with octopus and squid ink risotto. This recipe you can do easily at home because you don't need any special equipment. So I hope you're gonna like it, and let's do it. First thing, we have to get octopus cooking. This octopus is already clean, so I just cut out the middle part and also squeeze out this weird shelf inside. And octopus is ready to cook. So I will put it inside the pot, and now I need some carrots and onions. So I peel them, chop them, and they go inside the pot as well. Now I need some soy sauce, white wine and water, season it with fennel seeds, salt and peppercorns, and leave it to simmer until octopus will be cooked. Now it's time to start with squid ink risotto. So first thing I will need for almost any risotto are shallots. So I peel them and chop them fine. And then sweat them inside a pot with vegetable oil. I will also chop 2 cloves of garlic, and they go inside the pot as well. And in 1 minute, it's time for the rice. Mix it properly and deglaze it with white wine. In meantime, I will start with Squid Ink Tuile. So I mix 10 grams of plain flour, 30 grams of vegetable oil, 90 grams of water, salt and squid ink. And if you would like to learn more about fine dining cooking at home, I recommend you to follow me on Instagram, where you can ask me your questions or become part of my coaching program. In this time, is white wine reduced, so I will put octopus stock in and finish cooking of the rice. Just be careful, this stock is very salty, so don't put any more salt into the risotto. Because my pan is not really flat, I will use this pastry ring for my tuile, but you can do it easily without it. If you will be careful, you can get even one nice piece, but I need smaller pieces anyway, so I don't mind to break it. So my octopus is cooked. It takes me around 1 hour in simmering water. Now I will cut it to smaller pieces and roast it on the pan. Rice is cooked as well, so I will mix it with squid ink and finish it with some cold butter. And guys, if you like today's recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what would you like me to cook next time, so I can make it for you. And risotto is ready to go. Roast the tentacles on a very hot pan on the both sides and they are ready for plating as well. I will also slice few apple sticks so we get nice fresh element inside the dish. And last thing I will do are roasted cherry tomatoes. So I will use the same pan from OCTOPUS, give them color, season them with salt, and I'm ready for plating. I start with squid ink risotto on the bottom, next are coming beautifully roasted cherry tomatoes, super tasty octopus poached in white wine and soy sauce, few fresh apple sticks, Squid Ink Tuile, and finish it with nasturtium leaves. And that's my favorite octopus recipe, guys. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you wanna learn more about fine dining cooking at home, check out the links in the description down below. And if you're first time here, click the subscribe button so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.